we just won Song of the Year, Choice Song of the Year for Schoolyard Days, which is, yeah, unbelievable. We're very, very happy men.
Well, it's a huge honour first and foremost, and to be nominated in 4 different categories is, it's, yeah, as I said, it's a huge honour. It's something that you don't think about when you're writing songs or playing music. You don't write them for awards, but when you do get nominated, it is a lovely moment to sit back and soak in what's really happened in the last couple of years, and hopefully we have a couple more awards at the end of the night.
Going home with a truckload.
You wouldn't know.
Tell me about the last year. It seems to have been an extraordinary, joyful year in so many ways, getting such affirmation for your music, your talent.
The best year of my life, and I think the best year of all of our lives. We only got home from New Zealand on Friday, so we've been really, really busy, and to come home to a night like this is it's just an honour, and thank you to everyone who voted for us across Ireland. It's special, yeah.
Talk to us then about the other musicians. It seems we know this green wave, film, music, it's really having a moment. You're really enjoying and benefiting from that, I think, are you?
I think so. There's a lot of people taking the stage tonight. Seema, Joshua Burnside, these people we looked up to for years. I was in college in Galway listening to those people 5 or 6 years ago, and now to share the stage with them is surreal, genuinely, and we're very, very grateful for the whole thing, is all I can say.
And for yourself?
Yeah, totally. No, I just echo what Oisín said there, and I know last year there was some amazing people nominated as well, and every year there is, and it's, you know, it's just, we hope that we can follow on in the footsteps of the people who have come before us, and hopefully that's what we do. My brother, those days are gone, so go on now,
So I was here in 2016. I was here a year. Lancome won Album of the Year, and that was my first time seeing them. And I just came as a punter, as a music fan, and to be here in 2026, getting to play on the stage is something I never thought of then. But I loved it. Yeah, I remember just thinking at the time, going, "This is a celebration of Irish music," and we're just, as we've said, we're just proud to be a part of that now.
Robbie, can you tell us about your future plans then? I mean, it's been such a busy calendar, but you know, what are you planning for 2026?
Pretty much the same as what we've been doing. We got a lot of, keep her going. We got a lot of live gigs to play, a lot of festivals. There's an album, a second album that's going to be in the works. I can say that now, and that's kind of the main focus on this year, is to make that album as good as possible and to be as proud of it as possible, and then keep going with the live gigs. We're supporting Dermot Kennedy around Europe, and a couple of dates with Ed Sheeran in America, and a lot of our own dates. So yeah, we're going to be busy men again in 26. You lay all alone, darling. It's going to be very busy again, and hopefully the 3 of us just remain best pals, and the 3 boys behind us as well. And yeah, my granny's watching at home and in a scrone, and she'll be proud of us as well. So that's what it's about. How are you, Amble?
Yeah. Well, then I have to talk about the beards and the mullets. You know, this is staying. This is the look. Yeah.
Should I get rid of it, Evelyn? I don't know. Is it not good? Sorry.
You're having a big influence on me.
I don't know. Yeah, I actually was in a.
You haven't fully committed to the beard.
No, I only don't have the moustache. It was in a pub once in Longford, and a fellow was looking at me, and he goes, he couldn't place who I was, and he goes, "That's a McNerney moustache from my uncles and my father." So I'm going to keep the McNerney moustache for another year anyway.